Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 118, Pascal's triangle. This is easy and here this is all about coding, so I will show you how to solve this efficiently. Maybe you're wondering what's Pascal's triangle, and here you can see an example. In this triangle, every value surrounding the triangle to the left and to the right is 1. Okay, so this is fixed. And we can get remaining values, for example these two, by taking the sum of the top left and top right values. So 1 plus 1 is 2. For example here 1 plus 2 is 3. And for example here 3 plus 3 is 6. So the challenge here is to code this triangle. And given that num rows can be smaller or equal to 30, we will create a triangle of 30 levels. And here we have an example. If num rows is 5, we just return the first 5 rows. And these are the first 5 rows. So time and space complexity for this problem will be big O of n, where n is the number of rows. So now let's go with the code and hopefully you will get the idea. Here is the challenge. We need to code this triangle. And given that num rows is smaller or equal to 30, we can build just one triangle and then just return the corresponding subarray for the number of rows, for the required number of rows. So we'll go up here and Pascal triangle, we'll call this pass, is initially an empty array. And row size is 1 initially. And now we are building the structure for this triangle. So for I in range 30, Pascal.append an array with 1 times row size. So we are using 1 for every value initially. And then we can update row size, so we add 1. Now we have the structure and we need to fill this triangle. So for I in range from row 2 to row 30, and for j in range length of the current row, Pascal I. Now, if we are standing at the first element or at the last element, we want to continue because this is already 1. Okay, so if j is 0 or j is length of Pascal I minus 1, we continue. Else, we need to update Pascal I j. And this will be equal to Pascal I minus 1, j minus 1, plus Pascal I minus 1, j. So now we have our Pascal's triangle and we can use the same triangle for every test case. So now we're here inside our main function and we just need to return a subarray Pascal from 0 to number rows. So this is it for the code. Now let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.